Hey, welcome back. Let's take a look at Victorinox Classic SD. It's a 7-function little grooming tool that fits really well in the pocket. You have a file that's really good file. Little screwdriver, and that's where the SD comes from. The regular Classic has a pointed end, but you can clean your fingernails with this little screwdriver. Has a lanyard keyring. I added the paracord to it. Has a really nice pair of scissors, toothpick, and tweezers. It is 2.3 inches. The blade here is a little over an inch. Here is the toothpick and tweezers out of a Victorinox Explorer. You can tell they're just a little bit beefier, a little bit longer, but not a lot of difference. This is a Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive pattern. This is the Trash Panda. There's a little raccoon inside a trash can. And on the back side, little paw prints and a banana peel. And the Smoky Mountain Knife Works logo. This fits well in my chum's wallet and makes a really good little tool to keep fingernails groomed. And you can use the knife blade as a craft knife. Works really well. This pattern is also available on the Tinker, but only at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Okay, very useful little tool. Thanks for joining, and I'll catch you on the next one.